Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss literary terms, interpretation and hermeneutics. Introduction. Interpretation and hermeneutics are essential aspects of literary criticism that involve the understanding and analysis of literary works. In a narrow sense, interpretation focuses on deciphering the meanings of obscure and figurative language in a text. However, in a broader sense, interpretation delves into the artistic features, themes, and structure of the work as a whole. Hermeneutics, on the other hand, refers to the theory of interpretation that extends beyond literature and encompasses all written texts, including historical, legal, and literary works. Historical background of hermeneutics. The term hermeneutics originated as a framework for interpreting the Bible, incorporating principles of exegesis and commentary. Friedrich Schleiermacher in the early 19th century expanded hermeneutics to encompass a theory of general hermeneutics, focusing on understanding texts of all kinds. Wilhelm Dilthey later developed this notion in the 1890s, proposing a science of hermeneutics applicable to human sciences, including the humanities and social sciences. Dilthey's hermeneutic circle. Dilthey introduced the concept of hermeneutic circle, which entails understanding the meanings of the individual parts of a text through an initial grasp of the whole. At the same time, understanding the whole is only possible through comprehension of its constituent parts. This circularity of interpretation applies to interrelations within sentences and paragraphs, as well as to the relationship between individual sentences and the overall work. Development of hermeneutics. In the 20th century, interest in hermeneutics resurged with a focus on languages, uses, and meanings. Scholars such as Emilio Betti and E.D. Hirsch developed theories emphasizing objective interpretation based on the author's intended meaning. Hirsch argued that a text's meaning is the verbal meaning intended by the author, which remains stable over time and is reproducible by competent readers. Gadamer's philosophical approach. Hans Georg Gadamer took a different philosophical approach to hermeneutics. He emphasized the reader's pre-understanding and situatedness in their present, engaging in a receptive dialogue with the text. Gadamer argued that understanding involves a fusion of the horizons brought by the reader and the text itself. Debates and alternative theories. While traditional critics and many philosophers have upheld the importance of the author's intended meaning in interpreting a text, structuralist and post-structuralist theories have challenged this view. Some theorists suggest that the meanings of a text are inherently undecidable or entirely relative to individual interpretive strategies. Others propose that the real meanings of a text lie in authors' unconscious motives or societal power structures. Conclusion. Interpretation and hermeneutics play crucial roles in literary criticism, guiding scholars in their understanding of literary works. While some theorists emphasize the importance of the author's intended meaning, others explore the complex relationship between readers, texts, and meanings. Understanding the dynamic between interpretation and hermeneutics enhances our comprehension of literary texts and enriches the field of literary criticism. So this was the discussion on the terms interpretation and hermeneutics. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.